Namaste, dear yogis. Welcome to Yoga for Strong and Healthy Knees. We will begin right away. Slowly, mindfully lie down on your back. Keep your left knee up. Plant your left foot down into the ground. And then hold on to your right knee. We will start with gentle movements in our right knee. With your hands around your knee, bring your right knee in closer towards your chest and gently push it away. 3 more times. Bring your right knee in closer and push it away. Bring it in closer. Push it away. Last one. Bring your right knee in. Gently push it away. And then straighten out your right leg. Flex your right foot and breathe into your right hamstring and the back of your right knee. Long, slow, deep breaths in and out through your nose. Well done. Then place your right foot down onto the ground, switching sides. Hug your left knee in towards your chest, bring it closer and push it away. 3 more times. Bring your left knee in closer, push it away. Bring your left knee in, push it away. Last one. Bring your left knee in closer and gently push it away. Then straighten out your left leg, flex your left foot and breathe. Notice the sensation in your left hamstring, the back of your left knee and your left calf. During this class, we will work on strengthening and stretching the muscles around the knees. This way we really support the knee. And then release your left foot down. From here, we're going into bridge pose, a really good pose to strengthen your knees. Bring your heels in closer towards your bum. Feet and knees are hip width apart. Arms along your body. And take a deep breath in. Press your arms, your hands into the ground and lift your pelvis up. Keep breathing and hold it for a few deep breaths. Keep your head in the center and keep your knees in line with your hips. Notice the muscles you're strengthening, your back body, your hamstrings, your quads. One more deep breath in and out through your nose. Great work, yogi. And then release. Lower your hips down. We will do a variation on bridge pose. Another way to strengthen the hamstrings. Lengthen out your legs, but keep a bend in your knees. And then dig your heels into the ground. As you inhale, press your pelvis up. And we're talking about just a few inches. Doesn't look like much, but it's hard work. So keep breathing. Keep strengthening. Feel the strength in your hamstrings. And then slowly release as you exhale. Lengthen out your legs. And let's do that one more time with a slight bend in your knees. So again, digging your heels down into the ground. And you can rest on your elbows. You can lift your hands up if you want to go a little bit deeper. And then lift your pelvis up. Keep breathing. Feel the strength in your whole back body, especially your hamstrings. One more breath, and then release. Well done. Now bring your left knee up, plant your left foot into the ground, and stretch out your right hamstring. Straighten out your right leg. Take a deep breath. Also flex your right foot. And release. Place your right foot down, switching sides. Lift your left leg up, straighten it, and breathe into your left hamstring. And also keep straightening your left leg so you're really stretching your hamstring. Remember to breathe. Slow, steady breaths in and out through your nose. Place your left foot down on the ground. Keep both knees bent. And then turn over to your right side for a clamshell exercise. So I'll be facing you and you can go ahead and mirror me. Your knees are stacked. Lift your left knee up a few inches and then close it back down. So don't lift your knee all the way up so that you're opening up your left hip, but just a few inches. Here we go. For 1, open. Do it in a slow and controlled way. And close. Left knee opens. Also, don't lift up your left foot, but keep your big toes connected. 2 and 3. Close your left knee. 4. You can hold on to your left hip and close. 5 and close. 6 and close. Stay with your breath and notice the sensations in your left leg. 7 and close. 8, close. 9, open. Hold it. Take 2 deep breaths as you're strengthening your abductor, the abductor muscles. Good job. Lower your left knee down to close. And then join me for an IT band stretch. It kind of looks like a twist. It's a little bit different. Your shoulder blades are on the ground. And cross your left leg over your right. Lengthen and straighten out your left leg. You can flex your left foot. Your right hand can hold on to your left thigh. And if you want, you can open your left arm out to the side in line with your shoulder. Take a deep breath. So here's a spinal twist and an IT band stretch in your left side. All these exercises are helping to strengthen and stretch the muscles that surround the knee. Stay here for about 5 more deep breaths. And then take your final deep breath. Slowly and mindfully come out to switch sides. Go ahead and roll over to your left side. I'm going to turn this way so I'm still facing the camera. So find your clamshell position with your knees bent, knees are stacked, and let's begin. Open your right knee up a few inches in a slow and controlled way, and then close it back down. Open your right knee and close. Open for 3 and close. Open and close. 5 and close. So really focus on your muscles that you're engaging. And 6 to open and close. Keep your breath smooth and steady. 7 to open and close. Last one, open and hold. Take 2 deep breaths. Hold it. Well done. And release. Close your right knee down and take that IT band stretch. Lying down on your shoulders, both shoulder blades are on the ground. There's a twist in your spine. Lengthen out your right leg, cross it over your left, flex your right foot. Your left hand can hold on to your right thigh, and maybe open your right arm out to the side, rest it on the ground in line with your shoulder. Breathe into your spinal twist and IT band stretch. And feel free to take 5 deep breaths, like we did on the other side. So always bring your focus, your awareness back to your breath and back to the sensations in your body. And then take your final deep breath in your IT band stretch. Then slowly and mindfully come back out. We're going to move into a low lunge variation, but before we do that, I invite you to fold your mat in the middle to add a little bit of extra padding for your knees. And you can always use a folded towel or blanket. And by the way, you can do this anytime in any yoga practice if you have sensitive knees. So folding your mat in the middle, keep your left knee on the ground, step your right foot forward in between your hands. Now, keep your stance short. It doesn't have to be a very deep low lunge. We're only doing this to stretch your left quad muscle. You can lift your arms up or place your hands on your hips, whatever you prefer. So breathe into your left quad muscle, lengthen your tailbone down, and then slowly frame your front foot, step your right knee back, switching sides, step your left foot forward again. We're not going for the full expression of low lunge. Then you can lift your arms up or place your hands on your hips and breathe into your right quad, stretching it out. Good work. Gently release. And then you can unfold your mat and slowly come into a standing forward bend. So from your floor position, coming into your standing forward bend, soften your knees, hinging from your hips, and you can take ragdoll position, holding onto your opposite elbows. Maybe gently sway from side to side, stretching out your hamstrings. We're slowly coming to an end of this class. Take one more deep breath in your standing forward bend. Come to stillness. Release your arms. And then take a seat. Take a seated cross-legged position to seal our practice together. Sit up tall, relax your shoulders away from your ears. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out through your nose. Place your hands on your knees and notice how your knees feel. And then let's seal our practice together with a deep breath in. Circle your arms up. And as you exhale, unite your palms. Draw your hands down in front of your heart in prayer position. Take a moment to thank yourself for taking this time to take care of yourself, your health, and well-being. And thank you so much for practicing with me. May this practice be a blessing to you, from my heart to yours. Thank you so much for watching. Start your day feeling blissful with a free Blissful Morning Guide. Get yours by clicking the first link below in the description box. Just enter your first name and email and I'll send it to you right away. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for free yoga and meditation videos every Tuesday. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and let me know what your favorite part was and how this video went for you. And I look forward to seeing you soon again. Bye for now.